Let me see the shorts on now.
Hey, so you gonna wear the Daisy Duke?
No, that's it.
What's wrong, Ron?
So you scared?
Right, you
No,
gonna be a man?
My bet was the shirt.
No. The bet was whatever I said.
That's what I heard. It was whatever.
I'm pretty sure the bet said it was whatever we
That's
said.
what I heard.
It was just the shirt. I wore the shirt.
No.
The best that week.
So.
And now, it's a new bet.
So can we get a Ron only can do half of his word? Can we get that?
No, well, you gotta say it. No, your word was whatever I said.
So I've done what I've had
So
to do.
Your word was whatever I said.
So, okay, hold on. So feel it 100%. Once you put the shorts on and you walk around.
Just for one sake, just walk around. Do a little jog out here.
Come on, Ron.
You scared?
Same. Good job, Same. The next bet is
Hold on, Ron. Okay.
No.
Why don't you just wear the shorts like right here?
Why are you scared? Just right here. Just right in there. You can stay in there.